Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those out there that do not know me, my name is Alicia and I'm a special events professional, and I help newly engaged couples plan and design their wedding just like a pro, but most importantly without breaking the bank. So in today's video I am going to be talking to you about that one wedding planning tip that you should never go without. And this is a very important tip, and this will either make or break your wedding day, and that is staying organized. Okay, staying organized, having checklists, a binder, knowing information to provide to your wedding vendors. Staying organized and having a wedding binder is a must. And you can do your binder however you choose to. This is just my business binder. I just literally got it. I got it from Staples. I know this video is not a sponsor, but then a binder can really help make and break your wedding. And because everything's in there, everything's laid out, and you are organized. You're organized on paper, you're organized in your mind, and this binder is going to help you just eliminate stress as much as possible, because once you're organized, you're able to function better, you're able to be more productive, you're able to quickly reference things, you're able to jot things down, jot notes down. Like, staying organized just on paper alone is going to take such a weight off your shoulders versus you having papers scattered about. You have loose papers everywhere. You can't find this. The vendor needs this information. The venue needs a count of how many guests you're planning on inviting, and you don't know because you already misplaced your guest list and the responses and stuff like that. So staying organized is that one tip that you really should not be without. And the second tip, this is now a bonus tip, is your mindset. Once you shift your mindset from bride, this is my wedding, I want this, I want this, I want this, and being a bridezilla to a boss, okay, you will be able to operate and function better planning your wedding. And you'll, between being a boss, switching your mindset from bride to boss, and staying organized, there should be no reason why your wedding shouldn't be as successful as you plan on being. There may be hiccups along the way. That's just part of the nature of having an event. There may be delays or something that may happen, but you can eliminate it as much as possible by staying organized and having the mindset that I can do this. Staying positive during this process and not giving up and not just throwing in the towel, and taking this as a lesson. Okay, taking this as a lesson for you to move forward in a better light when it comes down to your wedding. Okay, once you understand that you are no longer just a bride, an engaged couple, you're now a boss, because I said this in another video, that you now operate the finances, you're hiring vendors, you're putting together a strong bridal team. So once you have all these components understood and you're able to execute, it is going to make your wedding planning journey that much better and that much easier, because now you are organized and your mindset is where it needs to be. And a lot of people don't tell you that about self-care and your mindset during this wedding planning process. So this is going to be a quick video for today, but that's pretty much it. I gave you guys that one tip, which is to stay organized, and as organized as you could possibly be. And then once you start buying stuff, as you know, as well as decorations. You need to keep those organized as well. Get totes, get labels for totes, make like large labels for totes, and as you start buying stuff, you're able to separate it out. So staying organized decoration wise, staying organized paper wise, staying organized on top of your payments and deadlines is going to make your life so much easier and better, and eliminates some stress. And I say some stress because stress can still come up out of the cracks because you're so focused on wedding planning, where you could potentially be neglecting your family, neglecting your spouse. You're always talking about wedding, you know. So, and then people that, you know, want to be in your wedding or want to be invited to your wedding is making a big fuss about it because, you know, they want to be a part of something that you have going on. So yes, that's why I say stress can creep up out of the woodworks and you know, step in, but that's up to you to eliminate it as much as possible behind the scenes. So the day of your wedding, you're not handling and dealing with this high stress because of things that could have been ironed out and figured out months ahead of time. Okay, you're still going to be stressed out. You're still going to be your anxiety, it's not even stress, it's your anxiety of the day of your wedding because you're excited. It's here, it is here, and now you're just like yeah, it's just your emotions because, you know, you're getting married to the love of your life. You're having a wedding, people are going to be looking at you and stuff like that. But also keep in mind too that people, your guests, will be able to see the disorganization at your wedding if you try to plan last minute, if you try to rush, if the quality is bad. So that's why staying organized and also taking time out beforehand to really plan your wedding correctly. Take as much time as you need. I know most people, you know, try to take at least 12 months to plan their wedding. Some people take a little bit longer than that, but that's perfectly okay. As soon as you get engaged and you set the date, and I mean set the date like, you know, this is where you want to be. This is the date that you are aiming for. You need to move on that, you know. Definitely get the detailed plan out, and I say this in all my videos. You'll hear me say this in all my videos. Always start with a detailed plan. Take your vision and put it out onto paper, write it out, draw it out, get this image out of your head and put it out onto paper, and start executing from there. So as soon as you do that, from here to there, you know, try to figure out a realistic budget. Then do your guest list. Okay, get your guest list, take a week for that, and then take like a couple days for that, and then the rest of the couple days kind of like, do I really want them there? And no, and start, you know, scratching people off. But if you come from a very close-knit type family, be mindful of that. You know, because some of them might actually want to, you know, help you pay and stuff like that. But be organized. Okay, that's the number one tip. Be organized. Paper, decorations, and don't be indecisive too, because time is ticking. You know, I understand there's gonna be so many options out there thrown your way, but kind of know like the vibe and the look that you're trying to go for when you're going to meet these wedding vendors, because you know they have other clients, you have other tasks that need to be completed, and you know nobody doesn't want to sit there ooh and ah and because you don't know what it is that you want. So make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you go ahead and leave a comment below if you felt that this video was helpful and that you enjoyed this tip, and that you will be taking the organizational tip and running to the high hills with that. Go and get you a wedding binder, something about this big. Oh, yep, about this big. And then get you some tabs, get you these sheet protectors, like this plastic sheet protector, and start working and start executing your event. I mean, your wedding. Well, wedding event, same thing. And if you're really going all out and having a destination wedding, then you definitely need to be organized. You have no choice but to, because when a guest contacts you looking for information for lodging, looking for information for transportation, looking for things to do in the area, you need to be able to flip your book, your wedding. Oh, this is I called them, or this is the rental car agency in the area. This is the hotel that I booked the room block for. And these are the attractions. But I'm also going to be doing a video on destination weddings and how to kind of really help your guests out. Okay, really help your guests out. I say that because you want to provide them so much information, such as like a packet, but we'll get into that in the next video. But you have to be subscribed in order to, you know, keep up with that, to get that the juicy details for that, because I am a hospitality professional. I have a degree in hospitality, so not only do I do events, I travel as well, and I can get you right when it comes down to that packet, because I used to work at a front desk and stuff like that. So having this packet is going to be an additional weight off your shoulders, because if your guests are inquiring about something, they don't really have to contact you. It'll be right there in that packet. You know, tell them don't lose that packet, and everything, all the information that they need will be right there. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button. I hope that you'll stick around for that destination wedding video. Check out the links down below. I have wedding planning templates, checklists, a wedding planning timeline, all type of wedding planning tools to help you plan and execute your wedding like a pro. So go ahead, grab you your binder, go invest in a binder, some tabs, and some sheet protectors, and I will go and see you on the next video. But go ahead and click that link below and get some wedding planning tools, because it's going to be helpful to you. Whew, thank you. Like, you just follow this and it's going to be a breeze. So again, I hope to see you in the next video. Hit that subscribe button, leave a like and comment, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.